Welcome to my Excel tutorial. Today we learn how to use the PMT function to calculate monthly loan payments. This function is essential for anyone looking to manage their finances or understand loan agreements. To use this function, you need some data there. You need the loan amount, you need the rate of your loan, you need the number of payments and their frequency. And Excel provides it with a very easy function where you can find this function. You can write it by yourself here. Don't forget to put the equal sign. Just find PMT and you see what are the arguments that it requires. It requires the rate, the number of periods, the present value, and the type. These other two ones are optional. The rate refers to the rate of your loan. So if you have it here, I just put it. Actually, the cell E4 for me has a name, so it is named ranges rate. So I just put it. Number of periods. I have 24 periods. Why? Because my loan will be is scheduled for 2 years, but as it is paid monthly, 2 years that are multiplied with 12 months gives the value 24. And it requires your loan amount as it is a present value. Here, don't forget always when you put it to add minus sign and just click it on the cell. I have it as loan amount. These other two ones are optional, so we don't need to close the brackets and enter. And your monthly payment for a loan of $5,000 with this rate and with monthly payment for 2 years, it is 362. That's it. Other ways where you can find the PMT function is if you go here on the financial, here on the formulas tab, financial group, go here on the PMT, and this is where you can find it. Okay,